Good morning, children. So, children, we have seen how to find HCF and LCM. So, let's see some examples from your book. And the question is, find the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20 gives remainder of 5 every time. So, you have to find the smallest number and it leaves remainder 5 every time. And the question is, which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 gives remainder of 5 every time. That means what, beta? So you have to find the number when it is divided by 8, 9, 10 and 15 and 20. So every time you get the remainder 5. Okay. So smallest number, what is given? You have to find the smallest number. That is, you have to find the LCM. Okay. LCM of 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20. So let's find LCM. Here we will use the common division method. 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20. Okay. So see beta, 8, 10 and 20 are the even numbers. So we will start with 2. 2 4s are. Again 9 is not divisible by 2. So write down 9 as it is. 2 5s are. 15 write down as it is and 2 10s are. 4 and 10 are even numbers. So again start 2, 9, 5, 15 and 5. 2 5s are 10. Okay. One even number is left. 2, 9, 5, 15 and 5. Now 2 1s are 2. See beta, n and 15 both are divisible by 3. Next number, prime number is 3. 3 3s are, write down 5 as it is. 3 5s are and 5. Then 3 1s are 5. 5 write down 5 as it is. Now the next prime number is 5. So you will get all remainder 1. So LCM is 1, 2, 3. 3 times 2. 2 times 3 and 5. So what is the answer of this? It is 360. So LCM of all these 5 number is 360. But what is question beta? Every time it leaves the remainder 5. So that means what? We add 5 to 8. His number is LCM plus remainder. And LCM is 360 plus 5, that is equal to 365. Okay, now you can try this number. If you divide 360 by 8, you will get 5 remainder. If you divide 365 by 9, again you get remainder 5. 360 divided by 10, remainder 5. 365 divided by 15, again you will get remainder 5. So in this way you can find the least number, which when divided by all this you will get the number. Got it, beta? Second one, find what is the greatest number which divides 615 and 963, leaving remainder 6 in each case. Now see beta question, what is the greatest number? Greatest means you have to find GCD or HCF, which divides 650 and 963. So that if you divide that number, every time you get 6 as a remainder. So you have to find the greatest divisor of 615 and 963. So here we will find the HCF of 615 and 9. But each time 6 is remainder, so we will subtract 6 from this 650 and 963 first. 650 minus 6 equals to what, beta? It is 609. And 963 minus 6 is how much? It is 957. Okay. Now we will find the HCF of these two numbers, 609 and 956. So for that we will apply the long division method. Okay, so let's start. HCF of okay, so let's start. 609 divided by 957. Okay, 600 है. 600 2 are 1200. So here we will take 600 ones are 609. Okay, subtract. So we will get 3, 4, 8. 17 minus 9. Okay. Now this remainder becomes divisor, and this divisor becomes remainder. 609. Okay. 300 2 are 600, but here 48 है. So we will take 3, 4, 8. What is remainder now? 9 minus 8, 1, 6, 5 minus 3, 2. 261. Now this remainder becomes divisor, and this 348. So here 261 ones are 261. What is now? 8 minus 1, 7. 14 minus 6, 8. And this 2 minus 2, 0. 87. Now this divisor becomes, remainder becomes dividend. 261. 87 3s are 261. And you will get here better 0, 0, 0. So what is our HCF? This 87. So HCF of 609 and 956 is 87. Got it, better? So 87 is the greatest divisor. If you divide this 615 and 963, you will get the remainder 6 every time. You can try it. Okay. Now see the next question. Okay, now children, we have learned how to find the HCF and LCM. But see better how to use this LCM and HCF in our real life. Means the use of LCM and HCF. So for that, see one question. The use of LCM and HCF. And the question is, a shop sells a 40-gram bottle of jam for ₹96. And a bigger bottle for bigger bottle of 600 gram for ₹124. Which bottle is more profitable to buy? Which bottle Okay, so what is question beta? The price of 450 gram of water is 96 and the cost of 600 gram of water is 124. So which one is more profitable? 450 gram or 600 gram? So let us see you can find the answer of this by unitary method. Unitary method means we will get the cost of 1 gram. Okay, and then we compare which one is more profitable. Okay, but you can solve this question by using HCF. Okay, so HCF of 450 and 600. So what is the HCF of 450 and 600? So let's find. Four 50 ones are 450. What is left? 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 5, 5. And 5 minus 4, 1. Okay, 150. Now 450. 15 threes are 45. 15 threes are 45. Means 150 threes are 450. So remainder is 0. Got it, madam? So HCF of 450 and 600 is 150. Okay. So here we will find. So let us compare, madam. 450 means what? 150 gram multiplied by 3. And 600 means 150 gram multiplied by 4. Okay. So let's find the cost of 150 gram. Okay. So I'm rubbing this question. So in the small bottle, 150 gram cost. What is the cost of 150 here? 150 divided by 3. And the answer is, sorry. So here in the small bottle, 150 gram cost is what? 96 divided by 3. It is 32. And in the large bottle, $150 cost. So what is the cost of large bottle? It is 124 divided by 4, and the answer is 31 rupee. See beta, in the small bottle the cost of 150 gram is 32 rupees, and in the large bottle the cost of 150 gram is 31 rupees. So which one is more profitable? So it is more profitable to buy the 600 gram of jam. So thus it is more profitable to buy gram water. Bottle of jam. So got it, beta? So By using HCF, you can find the cost also. So in this way, you can use this HCF and LCM in a real life. Now see one more question. The length and breadth and the height of a room are 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter and 450 centimeter respectively. Find the largest tape which can measure the 3 dimension of the room exactly. So you have to find the largest tape so that these measures can be measured exactly. Okay. Now write down the question, beta. The length, breadth, and height of a room are 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter, and 450 centimeter respectively. Find the largest tape which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. See beta, find the largest. The word is largest. That's why you have to find the HCF of these 3. So you have to find the HCF of these 3 and you get the greatest divisor. So HCF of 825, 675, and 450 centimeter is. So let's find. So start with first we will find the HCF of these 2 numbers and then take the HCF and the third number. 675 divided by 825. So 675 once 675. What is left, beta? It is 5 minus 5, 0, 150. Okay. then this remainder becomes divisor, and this 675. So 150 divided by 675. So 154 is 600. What is left? 75. Now this 75 becomes divisor and this 150 becomes dividend. So 75 to the 150, remainder is 0. So what is the HCF of these two numbers is 75. HCF of 825 and 675 is 150. Now with this 150, we will take the third number and then find the HCF. So HCF of 150 and 450 is 5. Is what better? Sir. 150 is 75. Here is 75. Okay. HCF we will get here 75. Seven 450 divided by 75. So 75 6 yes, remainder 0. So the HCF of these three numbers 825, 675 and 450 is this 75. Hence, the required length of the tape is what? 75 centimeter. See, if you take 75 and divide all these three, you will get the remainder 0. Okay. So, how will you write the answer? The required measure of the required and 75 centimeter. Got it, beta? So in this way, you can use the HCF and LCM in a real life. Got it, beta? Okay, so bye-bye, children.